So this is how you can save a project in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to save projects. So, let's say you just got the app and you want to save your project, the project that you've been editing on. Right here, like mine, I've been editing on this. And how do you exactly save it? Well, this is a very simple answer to a very simple question. You can just simply exit out of CapCut and it will save for you. That's right, it automatically saves your files for you. Or you can go to Menu, tap on Back to Homepage, and it will lead you back to your projects, all projects that you've done. And as you can see, this is my most recent one, so it saved it for me. And once you just tap on that, you can open it up, and you will be back here. As you can see, it saved the whole thing, and that's pretty much it. You can't save here because it automatically saves for you, and you don't have to do anything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.